Kitchen is Chef Poul. With me is Chef Alex.
Hello.
So today we're going to be doing a creamy broccoli cheddar soup. I'm not going to use cheddar, but we're going to use another cheese. That could be a big deal. So we're going to be doing this in my crock pot. This is going to be super easy, super chill, super relaxed. So that's 1 onion. We got a bag of carrots. I only use like a quarter of them. I chop them up very finely. I'm going to dump that in. Then we got 2 heads of broccoli finely chopped up. I took the big stems out because we don't need them. I'm going to put a little bit of butter in. It's actually plant-based margarine, so soon. Now, we need to start making a little bit of a, I'm trying to think of the right word here. I'm just going to dump a little bit of broth here. Then I'm going to dump a little bit of cornstarch. Take my spoon and we're just going to mix this up here. This is going to help make it a little bit thicker, which is a good thing. I'm going to make sure this is fully dissolved. Going to dump that in there. Then I'm going to take the rest of our broth and I'm going to dump that. Now we're going to save the cheese. We're not putting that in quite yet. We'll put that in towards the end. No, I don't. I was debating whether I wanted to or not. Now, because I'm using oat milk and this is homemade, a lot of sediments go to the bottom, so before you do it, you do have to stir it a little bit. It is the reality of having oat milk. Now, people say, well, you know what, you're supposed to use heavy cream. You can. Nothing wrong with using that. I don't want to. So this is smoked paprika. And then chipotle chili powder. It's not a whole lot of ingredients. It really isn't. Stir that up here a little bit. We're going to put the cover on this, and this is the easy part, guys. This is so simple. We're going to put this on I wish I could see this better. That's on low. We're going to put this in high for about 2 hours. In 2 hours, when we come back, we'll add the cheese and let it go for another hour. So it doesn't take a whole lot. It's going to be pretty quick and easy. Guys, please hit that like, share, subscribe button. This is what making cooking great again. Yes, you would see Amy doing jumping jacks, and she'll do them, but she's not going to do them on camera because she's not here. So we'll be back. And we're back. So it's been 2 hours, and if Alex can come in here for a little bit, you can see how everything's all cooking down. It looks really good.
It does.
So now we're going to add some cheese. So I've already cut the cheese a little bit, and you can dice it, you can grate it, and that's fine. Just whatever you do, don't buy pre-grated cheese because that stuff is garbage. Do not do it. For whatever happens, do not do it. It is trash, trash, trash. Don't ever do it. It is like the worst thing for you, and it's the chemicals in it just makes it really garbagey. So we're going to put this in for another hour, and then we'll be done. And by the time we're all done here, this is going to be an extremely cheesy soup. It will taste great, and it will be wonderful. So we'll be back in 1 hour. so we're done. So if we look in here, I'm just going to turn my slow cooker on to warm, just so it's just keeping warm for the rest of the day because it's all cooked. It's going to be nice and creamy. It's going to be very rich, and it is a soup, but it's nutritious. Got lots of vitamin. Didn't spice it up a whole lot. Don't need it. When you're ready to serve it, you might want to put a little bit of pepper on it, ground black pepper. But yeah, we're done. And you know what? This is Amy's lunch for the week. She's been so nice. We made this for her, and it looks really good. I think it's going to be really good. So please hit that like, share, subscribe button. These are all ingredients you should have at home. So honestly, this is all part of making cooking great again. So until next time, stay safe.